speak in favor of the legislation.
The gentleman from Michigan is recognized for 1 minute.
Madam Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to revise and extend my
Without
remarks.
objection, so ordered.
I thank my friend, the chairman of the committee. I rise to support the extension of the Children's Health Insurance Program. As a longtime supporter of the program, I'm delighted that we're sending a bill to the President that will be signed into law. At this time, there will be no pen to stand in the way of providing health coverage for 11 million of our kids. High health care costs are straining already strapped families nationwide. Nowhere is this truer than in my home state of Michigan, where unemployment now tops 10%. With families struggling to save for retirement, to save for college, to pay mortgages and bills, this legislation will help state governments provide health care to children who otherwise would be left out. Recently, there's been much talk about investments, good and bad. The bad kind has pushed our financial system into the brink of its insolvency and has caused an economic crisis on a scale unseen since the Depression. But good investments such as SCHIP invest in our children and our future. The expansion is a bipartisan effort, a collaboration of my colleagues on both sides of this aisle. For this, I am properly grateful, and I urge my colleagues to vote this legislation. It will be signed into law, and I look forward to working with the administration on a program of national health reform. As someone who has spent 50 years in this effort, I know that this is just the beginning of what has to be done. Again, I want to thank my friend, the chairman of the committee, for yielding me this time.
Gentleman's time has expired. The gentleman from Texas has 45 seconds remaining.